In this video, we will review the cost setup option on the Genesis controller. This feature will allow your kiln to estimate how much each firing costs. From the home screen, press the menu button. Scroll down and select number 4, Configuration. Within the Configuration menu, scroll down and select number 9, Cost Setup. Here you can enter the cost per kilowatt hour and the wattage for each zone in the kiln. Your specific cost per kilowatt hour can be acquired from your electric company. For this example, I will enter 17 cents. Press Save to confirm. If you have a multi-zone kiln, the wattage you input into each zone will depend on a variety of factors. We recommend emailing service@hotkilns.com to get a proper calculation. If you have a single zone kiln, input the wattage into zone 2. For this example, I will input 11,000. Press Save to confirm. You have successfully set up cost on your Genesis controller. You will be able to see the cost estimate of each firing under Last Firing Status in the Data menu. Keep in mind that this is just an estimate. For a more accurate result, it is recommended you get a kilowatt meter installed. This concludes our video. Remember to stay informed about future updates by visiting L&L's website at hotkilns.com.